Alright, y'all, this is an emergency Bitcoin dump stream. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm out of breath. I'm shaking. My heart is pounding. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray everybody is super blessed. And we are going to be going over this price action, guys. Some crazy price action right now. So stay tuned, buckle up, guys, get ready to go. As usual, if we can get 750 likes during this stream, if we can get 1,250 likes during this stream, we will be giving away 0.025 Bitcoin. What a day, guys. What a day. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, guys, Jason_Casper. Make sure to retweet and like the tweet I just twat out right now. And we will be live momentarily. All right, y'all. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. Man, it is one of those days, guys. It is one of those days right now where it's a rare day. It's a rare day. You guys saw my live stream earlier today. I was in a long trade from down here, and I was able to close that trade with about a $3,000 profit in Bitcoin, about a tenth of a Bitcoin. And you also saw I was long and short at the same time. If you saw that stream earlier today, I was long and short at the same time. Well, guess what, guys? That short that I was in from up here on the stream got stopped out at the entry, and I entered into another short trade. So these are trades that are given in advance in the VIP Discord, guys. The way we're able to get into these trades is by knowing about the levels in advance. So basically, you know, this price action has been very, very juicy. To take the short from here as the setup was given in advance in the VIP Discord, and then to take the long trade from down here as the setup was also given in the VIP Discord right here. And then earlier this morning, guys, looking for the short from our area of resistance, which is where I am basically short from. What happened was we came back to retest this naked point of control right here, and I hopped in another short, and that's where I'm currently at right now. This is one of those rare days, guys. It is rare that I will have this kind of success today, and I even did just add a little bit more to my short. You can see my entry kind of sucks here. It's because I just added more to it during this live stream here. Let's see if we can get a little more out of this. And what the heck is going on with Bitcoin, guys? Well, in hindsight, it's easy to see what happened here. We, in fact, did come up to a very important box of resistance, marked out one of the levels given in the VIP Discord. By the way, if you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. But what happened was, as we came up to this area, we, in fact, did get a very bearish sign, which is this. We got money flow and momentum coming down on the 24-minute and the 12-minute time frame, guys, which I was so uncertain this morning about whether we were going to drop. I was looking for shorts in the VIP Discord. I was looking for shorts. I was hesitant to short up here until we got to the level, but I said once we lose this naked point of control, I will absolutely be looking for shorts. What happened was we lost that naked point of control. We came back up to retest literally the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right here. Okay, got into a short from here, stopped out in profit, got into another short up here when we retested this naked point of control, because when we retested this naked point of control, guys, we did so with technically some bearish signs. So bearish sign number one was we could technically have this be a divergence right here, but the main kicker for me, guys, was the 12-minute money flow. The 12-minute money flow on Market Cipher B is really, oh man, just a powerful signal when it comes to whether or not I want to enter a trade. And so here's the thing, guys. It could be a very fast move down. We're talking about the fact that it could be a very fast move up, right? And now it could be a very fast move down. So let's talk about some areas of support that we have along the way down. This is an emergency stream, guys. Oh my goodness. Now, first of all, we are coming into support at the 382 level. Why are we finding support right here? There's two reasons. Reason number one, it's a Fibonacci 382 level. So if we go ahead and pull our Fibonacci retracement tool from a swing low like this to the swing high, we can see that we're coming right to the, whoops, that's the wrong pull right there. I think I pulled it from here. Wow, actually, when we pull from here, guys, we're coming to a golden pocket. Would you look at that, man? We're coming to a golden, I didn't even realize this, wow. So we're coming to a Fibonacci golden pocket, which is multiple fib levels, actually, because I'm pretty sure when I pulled it from down here, yes, from down at this low, this is the 382 area where we're finding some support, right? Right here is the 382, as we can see. If we pull the Fibonacci golden pocket from right here, where was that? I just pulled it from, where we had a golden pocket. From right down here, we're actually coming into a golden pocket. So there's many areas of confluence. That's why we're finding support here. We will never just stop at a random area, right? It doesn't work that way. There's always a reason. And then also we can see that we have this box right here of consolidation, which also is giving us a nice zone of support. Now, are we going to hold this, or are we going to come lower? I'll tell you what I think, guys. I will tell you what I think, because I do actually think that we could potentially come lower here. I do potentially think that we could come lower here. And here's why. Here's why. When we take a look at all the price action that we've been trading, okay, let's go to a higher term time frame, the 4 hour. And we take a look at this volume pull right here. We know that we've been trading sideways, okay? We've been trading sideways for quite some time. in a sideways market with pretty clearly defined highs around this zone here. All right, in fact, we could just have a box up here and say, pretty much whenever we come up to this area, we're going to drop. And then we can do the same thing for around this zone on the bottom, right? So let's say we have two boxes where we should always be looking for shorts at the highs and longs at the lows, right? Well, here's the thing. We came up to key resistance, and now we're losing a very important level, which is this right here, $30,800. A very important level. The reason why this is such an important level is because this is the value area high. And what this does right here, these value area candles, is this defines for us what is considered a fair value for the asset, okay? Whenever you see price trading sideways, you should always be looking and thinking to yourself, right? What is considered a fair value for the asset, right? Because when we're trading, we want to buy low and sell high. We want to buy low and sell high. And so whatever is considered high is when we come out of this shaded zone. That's where we should be looking for shorts. And once we come above it, we expect to move back into it if we get our bearish signs. And so the next major area that I'm really looking for right now is going to be this right here. This area right down here at about 29,700. Why this area? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Now, first of all, if we go to a TPO chart, we can see a few interesting things here, which is, number one, we are definitely forming some single prints on the way down here. Wow, look, the daily candle just opened, guys. I mean, the daily candle, this is crazy, right? But look at this, guys. We are actually right now, we have filled single prints from yesterday, and we are also currently entering right now into another few rows of single prints, which does make me think we could come lower here. And if we go to the weekly profile, volume profile chart, we can also see something interesting, which is at that exact level of 29,700. From all of last week, we have the highest volume node coming in right around 29,700, right? So this high volume node right here around 29,700 is going to be key, right? Is going to be key. I am expecting a move down to here. Does it mean definitely we're going to get that? No. In fact, we might, in fact, find support at some other level. But if we come down to this area here and we are unable to hold it, right, then I expect us to come down to this green box right here. Those are basically the levels, right? We can think of this as a house, right? We have the floors of a house, right? And we can expect, this is the attic up here, right? We can expect when we come to the attic, we're probably going to fall down. When we come to this floor, there's a good chance we're going to come down to the floor here, and maybe we'll bounce off the floor. But if the floor is made out of fiberglass, we might just fall through to the lower floor, right? That's how we have to think of this, level to level, right? That's called technical analysis. And if you understand technical analysis, then you can have a plan in advance. That's what's so great about it, because we knew this morning that we were at key levels of resistance, right? Now, unfortunately, and this is quite unfortunate, guys, I was waiting for us to actually tap this level here of 31,756. But what happened? Did we tap 31,756? No, we came up to 31,746. $10 too soon, which kind of kept me out of a good entry. But because I knew we were at resistance, I was looking for reasons to short. It's all about having a plan in advance. If you want to learn how to do that, you can check out this course. JasonCasperTrading.com will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader, because it gives you that point A to point B comprehensive system, so you always know where you're looking to take a trade. Now, today has been a crazy day, guys. It's rare that I take so many trades where I actually am able to lock in so much profit in one day. This is not happening every day. Oftentimes, I might not even trade in a day. Sometimes I might only make a few $100s in a day. Sometimes I lose money in a day, right? This is one of those good days, guys. So praise the Lord, Baruch Hashem. Thank you, Jesus, for this kind of day, because these are the kind of days, guys, that get me stoked on trading, if you know what I'm talking about, right? Gets me stoked on trading. So we can see also, right, where we are coming down to areas of support. In fact, my man Aaron G was looking for this exact area for support. So let's see if we can expect some kind of bounce from here. We know we're coming down to a golden pocket. We know that we're retesting previous highs, right? We're retesting previous highs as we come down to the golden pocket. At least on PHEMEX, we're retesting previous highs. And even on ByBit, we have this support resistance flip right here, where this was our clear area of resistance. We have a little order block there, now flipped into support right around where we're at right now, 30,200. Let's check out what is happening here on an order flow chart to see, do we have any signs of absorption? What is happening here? This is a 1 minute time frame. Let's go to a 5 minute time frame. Okay, and we have to refresh this. Let's see what's happening right here. Well, we have a lot of shorts opening up right now. We still have shorts opening up. This is back to the 1 minute. Let's check it out. 1 minute time frame. Negative 24, negative 23. Yeah, so it's not too clear, although obviously we could get a bounce from here. There's nothing too clear, and I would prefer to wait till long before entering into a trade right here. But this is support number 1. If we lose support number 1, I will be looking down to support number 2 at 29,700. That is the plan here. And if we go to the 12-minute time frame, we can see that there is the potential that we are going to get a retrace here. So if I had to put money on this, which by the way I have, right? Talk about coinky-dinks. If I was going to put money on this, I would say actually that we'll probably get a little retracement here as this 12-minute dot kind of scoops across like this. And then I will be looking for what I like to call uneven butt cheeks as we come down to those lower areas of support that I've marked out on the chart, right? Uneven butt cheeks. What are uneven butt cheeks? Uneven butt cheeks are basically just that, right? When we're looking at market Cipher B, we want to see something like this, okay? The scientific term is gluteus crookemus, where we see that deep cheek on the left and that not so deep cheek on the right, okay? And what this does is actually it gives us a little signal, right? A little trade signal, a little winky face, right? With those eyebrows. Super cute, right? Super cute. And this is basically giving us that heads up like, hey, look, there's an imbalance in the market, wink, wink. Trying to get into a trade, wink, wink? Well, hey, look over here. You're at the club, girl. You're doing your thing. You're having a party, right? But all trends must come to an end. Here's the thing. When you're at the club and the lights are off, you're partying, girl. No one can see what you got in the basement. As soon as 2 a.m. comes on and those lights come on, everyone sees your mascara dripping down the face. And then they look down and what do they see? Shocking. Absolutely shocking. And so honestly, I would seriously be looking for price to come down to that lower floor of the house, something like this. We get a little retracement, okay, maybe even back test like this, then come down lower, and then maybe we get a real move to the upside. If not, guys, I will be looking for lower. You know, I added to my short, which is probably a dumb idea, but I don't care. Because it's all about locking in the gains, guys. It's not about holding the trade for the whole move. It's about locking in the gains, right? That's what it's about at the end of the day. Yes, it's fun to hold the trade all the way down, all the way from the top to the bottom. But that's not what it's about. At the end of the day, it's about making money. That's why we do it. If you make money and you just catch a tiny little slice of the move, that's fine. It's not every day. It's not every week that you're going to long from here and ride it up and then short from here and ride it down. That happens sometimes, right? But it's not always going to happen, right? It's not always going to happen. But I would say this, okay? Well, let's go back to the 6-hour time frame here. And I can't really look at volume in PHEMEX. But here's the thing, right? This is PHEMEX, which I'm currently been trading on a lot lately. So let's customize our fib a little bit here. So yeah, let's customize this. And let's turn off all these things we don't want on the fib. We just want I just want, honestly, the 618, and I also want the 0.65 fib. And, you know, honestly, this would be really, really nice. If we could come all the way down back to the low of this entire sideways market where we have confluence with our good friend 6 Juanita. 6 Juanita. 6 Juanita, if anybody doesn't know the story, when I was in high school, I had a crush on a foreign exchange student from Lithuania named 6 Juanita. Right? And I thought that she liked me because she would talk to me. She walked with me in between classes to the next class. She sat with me at lunch. She would talk to me about all her problems, about all the boys and how messed up they were to her. And I thought, well, you know, she must like me because I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy, you know. Look at my haircut, right? Look at that white person haircut right there, you know. How does one even get that kind of hairstyle? It's a mystery, right? But it's a sign that you're a nice guy. And I thought she was into me. I had a little scruff going on, right? A nice shaped up mustache. Gillette Fusion Pro Glide Styler, okay? Turns out when I asked her out on a date, she absolutely rejected me and broke my heart. Now, we can see this happening all the time. Wow, look at that. While I was talking, we got a little bit more of a dumperoo here. And we got a little bit more of a dumperoo. And yeah, got a little bit more of a dumperoo here. Let's see. 29,848. Let's take a little profit at 29,848. 9,848. Let's take out another 100 contracts there. If we can get down there during the stream, I don't know. I did just scoop out a little profit, but in case we dump even more, I want to keep some of the position open here, right? I always lock in profit early, guys. I started this trade with 100,000 value in USD, and now it's down to only 30. And that's okay, right? Because it's all about locking in profit. It's not about being a hero and holding the trade all the way to the bottom. It's about locking in profit. Well, anyway, 6 Juanita, right? She absolutely rejects me all the time. So, for example, we can see if we pull the fib from here to here, right? Pull the fib from here to here. Look at what she did to me up here. The 618 fib level, 6 Juanita. She rejected me from up here. But I know, because I'm in the friend zone, she will give me that shoulder to cry on, where we very well may find support down here, okay? Now, we are holding support here. And in fact, I want to see what's happening on market Cipher B on these lower term time frames. What's happening here? Do we have bullish divergences? Yes, we do, actually. We do have some bullish divergences on the 1 minute time frame. Let's check out what's happening on this order flow chart here. Do we have anything of noteworthiness? Actually, yes, we do see some bullish CVD here, but it's mostly shorts closing out. And let's check out this 1 minute here. What do we got going on? Wow, a big decrease in open interest right here. People are not interested in trading this. We do have some longs coming in here, guys. We do have some longs coming in. So what I would really like to see here, like if we're gonna find a bottom here instead of trying to catch a falling knife, because I do have a level here, but it's not that juicy of a level. I do want to see price do something like this. I want to see price maybe get a retracement and make a higher low. And if it makes a higher low, then we want to see some bullish CVD going on there. And if not, well, I'm holding out for lower levels, guys. I am. But I would not be surprised if we do get some kind of retracement when this 12-minute thing curves, right? But wow, what a drastic drop. You know, I was out walking, saying goodnight to my chickens, and I got a notification on my phone that my stop loss had been hit. And I thought it was my short stop loss, right? Because I shorted from up here. In fact, I posted a little short video about schlonging on my YouTube channel. And, yeah, like just a second ago, like before I went outside with the chickens, guys, I posted this short on my YouTube channel here. And let's see if I can find it. Yeah, right here. Powerful strategy called schlonging.
Super juicy long trade. But I'm also
where I was in this short scalp, right? Stop loss at entry, and I got a notification your stop loss been hit on PHEMEX. I'm like, oh, my short must have got stopped out. I thought we were gonna pump, guys. I thought I was gonna get a better short entry. I look at my phone, it's my long that got stopped out, guys. It's my long, because if you remember, if you saw the live stream from earlier today, I did move my stop loss after adding a good portion to my trade here for the long. Well, that's the Rocky music. But you could see here for the long, I guess you can't really see. Can't really see what I did. Here you go. You can see what I did here, guys. I actually had my stop loss. Even though I entered down here, I added to the position and then moved the stop loss here into profit. This is the stop loss that got hit. I couldn't believe it. I looked at my short trade. It was like up so much in profit. I can't believe it. This is the second short I was in today. So, you know, I closed out the day. This is pretty rare. This is super rare, guys. But earlier today, I locked in about $4,000 of profit. Now I'm up another $1,000. It happens, guys. It happens. Sheesh, what a day, guys. The adrenaline's pumping. Everything's pumping. You know, the levels are being respected. The corn is growing out in the field. The Bitcoin is growing. And sheesh, guys. Just sheesh. That's all I can say. So that's pretty much the update here. I mean, really, it's just very, very technical, even though it's, in hindsight, it's always easier to say what happened, right? In hindsight, it's always easy to be like, oh, well, yeah, of course that happened. But honestly, in the moment, guys, I didn't know. I was very confused this morning. I thought we might come higher, and I thought we might come lower. But at the end of the day, I just made the decisions and stuck to them. And yeah, so again, the levels that I am looking for right now for this dumperoo are going to be the next one is, like I say, this high volume node. So we are coming down though now to an actual golden pocket from, let's see where this golden pocket is from. This golden pocket is from the low that we put in from the long trade on Friday to the high that we put in this morning. We are finding some support here. I would not be surprised if we actually do get some kind of a bounce here. We have bullish divs here. On the 1 minute, do we have bullish divs? On the 3 minute, we do not. I would maybe want to wait to see something more like this, come down a little lower, hit the 0.65, get a bullish div on the 3 minute. We do have the anchor wave on the 6 minute. That usually leads to anchor wave on the 12 minute. So what would be really nice in my opinion, guys, is doing something like this, coming down, and then getting the bullish divergences on the 12-minute time frame at that high volume node right there. In which case, yeah, I would actually look to take a long right there. Not even gonna lie, I would look to take a long there. So see if I can scoop a little more out of there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I would look to take a long there, guys. So let's pop into the chat. And let's see what we got going on in the chat. What's going on, everyone? Yeah, this is a wild move, isn't that, Royal Fresh? That is a wild move. Shout out to iBinge Crypto, who just so happens to be taking the Jason Casper trading course right now, who had a great week of trading. I'm so glad you had a great week of trading. Yeah, this is crazy, right, guys? This is absolutely crazy. Guys, make sure to like the video, because if we can get 1,250 likes, I will be giving away 0.025 Bitcoin. This could be a crazy stream right now, guys. I don't know what's going to happen tonight. We do know that... let's take a look, actually, at this TPO chart here to see if we filled those single prints. Wow. So we have officially filled all the single prints, guys, from that move to the upside. We're coming down to our first major area of support right here, right? We have officially filled the prints, and we are coming to our first major area of support. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely wild. Wow, this is just, I can't even believe this, guys. I can't believe this dump right now. I can't believe this dump. Can you guys believe this dump? So 29,700, that's the next area, really. 29,750-ish. This is the next major area of support right now. If we lose that, then I will be looking for a bounce from here. But man, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. What do we got going on here? This is a 1 minute time frame. Let's zoom in even more. See what we got going on here. Interesting, yeah. This actually is interesting. I wouldn't be surprised actually if we do get the retracement from here, like this golden pocket. Remember, I wanted to see us come down, hit that 0.65 with a bullish div on the 3 minute. That's kind of what we're getting. We definitely have bullish divs on the 1 minute here. This could give us a little something, right? This could give us a little something here, a little move to the upside. It could absolutely do that. But, we're going to have to wait and see how that plays out. I can't believe this, guys, though. I can't believe this. This has been wild. Yeah, let's see if we can get a little bit of a retracement up here. Just a little bit of a retracement right here. But really, the main level that I am looking for, guys, is going to be this one down here. Right? This is the main area that I'm going to be looking for right here. But we do have some of the bullish divs coming in. We did come down to that 0.65 level. That is one area of support right there on the 3 minute time frame. We don't technically have a divergence, but we do have momentum coming up as price was coming down. And let's see if we can get a little bit of a retracement right here. when we take a look at the 1 minute order flow chart, we saw a lot of trades basically close out of their positions right here, which could give us a little bit of a retracement. Could absolutely give us a little bit of a retracement here. So let's see what happens. You know, we are getting a little bit of a retracement here. If that 12 minute can confirm that anchor wave, then I think we could absolutely play the move that we're looking to play, like this, right? That is absolute potential right there. Just got a notification from PHEMEX that the Bitcoin price has decreased dramatically. And by the way, guys, this live stream is brought to you by Jason and Carl from the Moon going to McDonald's in a Maserati.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
Coming soon to a theater near you, guys. Coming soon to a theater near you. I hope everyone's stoked on that. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can get a little something going on. And if not, well, then no. But right now, the plan I'm trying to play is retrace, come down, maybe get something like this, uneven butt cheeks, see Dolores at the diner, call it a day, right? That's the move I'm trying to play right now. So we shall see if it happens, guys. We shall see if it happens. So let's actually take a look now at some of these charts. Oof, this is not this is not looking too good, guys. A lot of people are trying to long this right now. Wow. We have a lot of longs opening up right here, and we don't really have too many. It doesn't look like there was much absorption down there. But let's see, even still, if we can get that retrace that we're looking for, right? Let's see if we can get that retrace that we're looking for. So long as we can do something like this, right, and come back down for lower with our divergences, that would be nice. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's see if we can do that on the stream. Let's take a look. Oh, man, it would be cool if we could get a juicy trade on here, right? Juicy long. Of course, this is not the juiciest long level that we could look for, right? Absolutely, we could be looking for lower, but it's an area to be aware of, right? That's what it really is. You have to know what levels to be aware of, right? If we didn't know this was a golden pocket, we wouldn't understand why price was finding support here, right? If we don't know that this is a very high volume node down here, well, we wouldn't know that price is probably going to find support down here. In fact, I would be shocked if we don't find some kind of support down here. I would honestly be pretty shocked if we did not find some kind of support down here. So, you know, that'd be very very shocking to me, to be honest with you. So let's pop back into chat again. If anyone's just joining us now, basically what's happening is Bitcoin has had a massive dump. I'm in a short trade right now, and I'm looking for long trades. And basically, this is the first area of support right here, this local golden pocket. The next major area of support that we have is going to be this high volume node right here. And this high volume node is absolutely going to, I am absolutely expecting some kind of a bounce from there. Like if we don't retrace from this golden pocket, I would expect us to do something like this and then come down lower. So let's pop back into chat here. How's it going, everybody? How's everybody doing here? Is everyone doing good? We hit previous day open, says Crypto Morningstar. We hit previous day open. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, guys, hit the like button. Hit the like button. And while we're hitting the like button, let me okay, cool. Sorry, guys, just had to text my wife right there. Just had to text my wife. Shout out to my wife, by the way, Big Butts 28. She really is the best wife a guy could ask for. She's the best wife a guy could ask for. A great mother, loyal, beautiful, homeschools our kids, cooks me dinner every day. Man, what would I do without you, Big Butts 28? Really appreciate you. I really do. I love you. So, alright. So, yeah, we're getting our little retracement here, guys. We're getting our little retracement. There we go. There we go. We're getting our little retrace from the golden pocket. Right? These levels, guys, they are respected. Right? They are absolutely respected. They are respected. And that golden pocket is respected, guys. So hang on, 390.5. Yeah. Alright, well, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see how much of a retrace we can get. Okay. I did take a little scalp long at this golden pocket just to see what can happen here, just to play my hypothesis. And we'll see what happens here. Hoping we can come up for a little bit higher. Hoping we can come up for a little bit higher. Might get stopped out, though. Might get stopped out with this red minute trigger wave, but we'll actually have to see, like, as we come down, if we put in a higher low. Oof, this is not looking the best, but all right, well, as we can see right here, I'm in a very small scalp long, and I've already got my stop loss at entry. Make sure break even. At the very worst here, I break even. In case we get a bit of a retracement, I do want to capitalize on this. But I'm playing my plan, guys. The plan I have right now is a retrace, come down lower, bounce from this area. Right? Retrace, come down lower, bounce from that area. So we'll see what happens here. Number one rule of trading is make sure you're not going to lose money, right? So I made sure I'm not going to lose money if this long gets stopped out. That's great. And if it does get stopped out, I can look to re-enter, which is fine. That's totally fine, right? And, of course, if we keep dumping, I've got the short open still. That's the way I like to trade, guys, longing and shorting at the same time. Let's see what happens now. We're coming back down. We're actually retesting this 618. So we got the bounce off the 618. We got the bounce off the 0.65. Now we're getting bounced off the 618. Could it be, guys? Could it be a very sloppy inverse head and shoulders right here? Could it be something like this, right? Which would give us a massive breakout target. It's the craziest head and shoulders I've ever seen. Of basically coming back up to retest this order block right here on the lower time frame. So it's possible, guys. It's very possible. Let's wait and see what happens here. Let's see if we can play the Rocky music. Should we play the Rocky music to see if we can get a little bit more of a retracement here and not get stopped out? Let's see if I can do that. Because this always works, all right? I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. You know what does actually work is the guitar solo. So, let's get to that guitar solo. See, it's working, guys. It's not working, guys. Yeah, this actually looks pretty bearish. This looks bearish, guys. I think we're gonna dump more. We have some pretty bearish CBD coming in. I think we're absolutely gonna dump, guys. I think we're gonna dump. All right, enough of that rocky music. It's time for just stopped out, guys. Just stopped out in a nick of time too. Well, you know, that's okay. Stopped out at a break even. You can't go wrong doing it, man. You just can't go wrong. So it would be a bummer if we pump from here, but I have a feeling, based on some of that bearish CVD, we might come a little bit lower. I have a feeling we might come lower. Yeah. Well, let's see something else here. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of longs opening up right here. Like, so many longs. People longing the crap out of this. You know, if price comes down lower, all these longs that longed here will be absolutely wrecked. They'll be wrecked. But, you know, you can't hate on people longing support, right? They're longing support. That's what you're supposed to do. So I can't hate. But, you know, everyone's grandfather, when they found out they were going to be traders, what did your grandfather say? He said, son, let me learn you a thing or two. Trading's easy, right? Hello? Yep, sorry. Is you got to buy low and you got to sell high. Right? Now, it's so easy to buy high and sell low. We don't listen to our grandfathers. We don't listen to them, right? But, shout out to Johnny Dollar. Yeah, some people don't understand my sarcasm at all, guys. Yeah, so basically the Jason Casper sarcasm. I know Carl from the Moon doesn't have a Bugatti. It's actually a Maserati. Right? I just call it a Bugatti to pretend like I don't know that it's actually a Maserati. So let's dump this Bitcoin price, guys. Let's absolutely dump it right here. Let's dump it down, baby. Let us dump this down, man. Because I'm trying to close out the day with a little bit more profits, guys. So I can sleep easy tonight. So my wife, Big Butts 28, can say, you know what, husband? You accomplished something today. You know? This is the face of determination, guys. This is the face of hard work and determination. All right? If you want to accomplish something in life, you can do it. Okay? You can do it. All right, here. So, let's see what's going on. You know, I just want to wait and see. Yeah. I would really like to, you know, before we get into any kind of trades here. I mean, this could be a trigger wave. Money flow is coming up on the 1 minute. This might not be, honestly, a bad entry. But for me, I would rather wait it out. I would rather wait it out a little bit. I would rather wait it out. Well, we do have a 1 minute trigger wave. We have a 1 minute trigger wave. We have a 12-minute trigger wave forming here. Yeah, you know, this could be, we could get a little bit of retracement here, guys. We absolutely could get a little bit of a retracement right here. So, would not surprise me in the slightest if we got a little bit of retracement here. Well, I'm glad we could come in for this emergency stream, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're into late night emergency streams like this. Let's see if there's any questions here in the chat. Shout out to Sean, who used the bot to trade the Bart Simpson pattern. Shout out to Robert Bonar. Yeah, guys, follow me on Twitter at Jason_Casper. And, still red in the 1 hour. What do you mean still red in the 1 hour? Yeah. Let's see, you know, this is wild, guys. This really is wild here. All right, now we're starting to get more movement to the downside. Longs are closing out. All these people that longed here are officially out of their trades. Some shorts are opening out. Mostly longs are closing out. They're like, dang, this was a bad idea. They're watching the Jason Casper stream. Jay got stopped out. I should probably close the trade as well. So yeah, basically the way I got into this short, guys, was the following. So this morning we did have, you know, in the VIP Discord, we had this trade set up, and basically I was waiting to come up to this level, right? I was waiting to come up to this level. We didn't hit that level. So in my live stream from earlier today, what I did was I shorted the golden pocket. So from that initial high where we literally missed my level by $5, $10, I shorted the golden pocket retracement. So I got into a short from right here. This is the short on my live stream from this morning. I closed the short with a pretty juicy profit, right? I think it was like $800, $900 profit. Like, honestly, $800, $700, $800, because I did take a loss earlier that morning, shorting right here. Stopped out in a loss. Then I shorted right here, closed the trade in like a $900 profit, minus like $200 from the loss up here. And then when we came back for this retest right here, this is where I got in because of the fact that, well, when we came up to this naked point of control right here, we absolutely did get a very bearish divergence on the 1 minute time frame for that retest as we put in that higher high right here. And I was hoping that we would eventually BART, but I was thinking we were going to come out and take this high. And then, man, like I said, I did not expect a drop like this one. I did not expect a drop like this one, guys. But here we are. Here we find ourselves. That's why it's so important to have the levels marked out, guys. You know? I mean, it is, I have to say, right? It's so satisfying to be able to trade these charts, to short from here, to long from here. I even did long from here because it was a level I had marked out. To short from up here because it's a level I had marked out. It's so satisfying, guys, when you understand how to break the charts down and you know what you're looking for, where you can have the plan in advance. Like, you know, the long from down here, which turned out really, really well. The short from up there, which also turned out very, very well. Yeah, it's just a really good feeling, guys. It's a feeling of accomplishment. It's not even about the money. It's about being able to execute the trades properly. Like, it's a good feeling. I don't know how else to describe it. But if you do want to join the community, it's all about education. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, check out the course. There's a 25% discount. This course has changed the way thousands of people approach the market. Also, if you do want to learn how to understand these order flow charts, you could check out the Orderflow course, there's a free video on here. You could check out the preview, link in the description. All right, so now let's see what's going on here. Let's check out our Orderflow chart to see what's happening. Okay, so we do have some of the people that shorted here. Well, they're already closed out of their positions. Yeah, nothing to write home about, honestly. I was really thinking we were gonna get. I am expecting a retracement here soon, guys. I really am. Just because we're at support. If we don't form a bullish div by the time we come down to this point of control, I think, you know, that will come lower. But this 29,750-ish area, this box down here, this is the juice. I think we get something nice from down there. Money flow is coming up on the 1 minute. That's a sign to me that we're about to get some kind of retracement. Money flow is coming up on the 1 minute. 3 minute bullish div on the 3 minute, right? That's honestly a good sign. If we can get bullish div on the 6 minute, right? That's a good sign as we come down to support. Do something like this even, right? Right, we see our good friend Uneven Butt Cheeks coming out. Our good friend Dolores, you know, at the diner. Hey, you know, she sounds like this because she smokes too many cigarettes. You know who I'm talking about. So here's the thing. The price is coming down to that high volume node right here. And this is the 6 minute time frame. You could clearly see that left butt cheek over here forming. But the money is over here in the right butt cheek. So here we are. Okay, we're clearly on the 6 minute time frame over here. But let's keep in mind what we got over here, right? If we zoom out to the 4 hour, then we could clearly see that we're coming down to that exact same point of control that's in the picture at the diner, right? We're coming down to it right here. Okay, see the confluence, right? We got that volume profile over here in the diner. This guy's looking at it. He's like, what the heck is that thing over here? This guy knows what he's looking at, right? He's so excited lighting his cigar, right? Because he sees the butt cheeks forming over here. Oh my goodness. So we're coming down now. Here we go. My palms are sweaty. My knees are weak. My arms are heavy. There's Bitcoin on my sweater already. I stole my mom's spaghetti and sold it so I could buy Bitcoin. I took out a loan so I could buy Bitcoin at $69,000. I sold my house so I could buy Bitcoin at $69,000. Now I'm trying to earn all the money back over here. Trying to earn the money back. So, let's see. Let's see what we got going on, guys. Let's see what we got going on. Man, we're close to it, guys. We are pretty close, huh? What do we see? Do we see anything of note on that 1 minute? I mean, we came down quick, guys. We came down super quick. We came down super quick. So... So we're coming down to it. We're getting a little bounceroo. A little bounceroo. Let's check out the 6 minute here. We never actually got our bullish div on the 6 minute, guys. We never actually did get that on the 6. Wow. We never did get that. So perhaps then we wait for a little lower. Shout out, by the way, to whoever thumbs downed me. I hope you find the content you're looking for, and may the Lord bless you in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray that you do find the content that you're looking for. somewhere, because clearly I just can't provide that for you. And that's okay, you know. This channel is definitely not for everybody. You know, it's not for everybody. You know, definitely. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy out here who trades and drives, shows you pictures of uneven butt cheeks at a diner, hangs out with his tractor in a Market Cipher shirt, Pikachu hat, right? And is best friends with Carl from the Moon. Shout out to Carl from the Moon, my man. Shout out to Carl from the Moon. Let's actually take a look here and see something. Okay, let's see something. Let's go to the 4 hour. Wow, we did not hit that high volume node, guys. We did not hit it yet. Right? We did not hit it yet, but we did hit the box. We hit the box, but we didn't hit the actual high volume node, but we did hit the box. Okay? We hit that box. And look at that. Like we hit the box, guys. And that's the thing about these boxes, right? They can provide for us little scalpy bounces like that. You know? They can provide stuff like that. Let's check out what's going on here. I like what I see. I like what I see. You know, I do like what I see. I like what I see. I do like what I see. Let's put back on our box here. Right, so we've got the box coming on in. Right? We're coming down to our box. We're starting to get some bullish signs, right? Ideally, I would want to see that 6 minute giving us a divergence here. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. You know? That would be super ideal. That would be ideal. Hey, the people who thumbs down the video, is it because I'm degen scalping with 70x leverage? Is that why? I don't get it. I don't get it. Let's check out one more thing here. We did put in a lower low. We did put in a lower low. Okay, we put in a lower low. So, that's not as bullish. That's not as bullish. But, guys, we are at pretty strong support. You know, like I said, I would be surprised if we didn't get something here. Right? I would be surprised if we did not get something here. Right? I would be surprised if we did not get something here. You know? You guys know what I'm talking about? I would be surprised if we didn't I would be kind of shocked if we didn't get something from this box. Right? The green boxes don't play, right? They do not play. And we have to get a retracement somewhere, right? We have to get a retracement from somewhere. Let's see if we can hit those lower levels. I mean, we have We have some bullish signs on market Cipher B. I mean, as I said, I'd be shocked if we don't get something from here, guys. At least something. What do I think caused the dump? Asked Jeffrey. Well, in hindsight, Jeffrey, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what caused the dump in hindsight. It was the fact that as we came up to a box of resistance, we got momentum and money flow getting lower on the 12-minute. Every single time this is the case. And I oftentimes am confused and don't trust the signal, right? I oftentimes don't trust the signal, but I need to start trusting the signal because the short that we took from back here as well, it's the same exact thing, guys. It's the same exact thing. You know, we came up, price made a higher high, momentum and money flow came lower. Exactly what we were looking for up here. This was a much clearer, in all honesty, this was a much clearer signal up here. That trade was a much clearer short. But that's that same setup, right? We're always looking for it. Where we come up and we see bearish divergence. Oh, I guess you guys can't see. Hang on 1 second. Where we come up and we see the bearish divergence. This is the trade from before. On the 1 hour, on the 12-minute, on the 6-minute, on the 1 minute. That's exactly what we also saw right here. And so what caused it? You know, obviously I can't say what caused it. But I can say that in hindsight, yeah, it makes sense that we Bart Simpsoned it. Because what did we do? We came up and we made that higher high right into our box of resistance with the momentum and the money flow getting lower. Right here. You know? So that's what caused the dump. And here's the thing. We knew if we were going to come down, it was going to be a super fast move, right? We knew it because on the TPO chart, we have all these single prints right here. Basically, these single prints mean if price comes into them, it's going to fill them, right? It means it's going to fill them. And I do have to say right now, we don't have, at least on this TPO chart, we do not have a, this is the 30-minute chart. We don't have a buying tail. Let's check out this. We don't have a buying tail here either, guys. Honestly, this makes me think this is definitely not the low. This is definitely not the low. We just don't have the interest in defending this level. We don't have the interest in defending that level, but this is support, right? I would be very surprised if we don't find at least some kind of range thing here. If we drop through this, which we absolutely could, I would honestly be very surprised. I would be very surprised if we just fall right through this. Because there's a lot of volume here. I'd be very surprised. It could happen, guys, but you know, it would take me by surprise. I have to be honest with you. It would absolutely take me by surprise. So that's why I think we got the drop. So the order book chart that I have here, Alan, that is Exocharts. They're basically, if you want to see cumulative volume delta, you can also go to coinalyze.net and view it for free here. That's pretty much all I'm looking at. Well, that's not true. I'm also looking at net longs and net shorts. But I'm pretty sure you can see net volume. Can you see net longs? I'm not sure, but there's a lot of interesting tools on Coinalyze. You can definitely see CVD on here. So this is the buy-sell volume, which I suppose is kind of like delta. Alright, so let's see if we can get our 6-minute butt cheek. That's what I want, 6-minute butt cheek. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 6-minute butt cheek. Yeah. All right. This is the 1 minute. Can we get a 6-minute cheek? Can we get a 6-minute cheek here? I think we can, guys. I think we can. I think we can. I like the way the RSIs are looking right here. They're blue. They're tight. I like the way the RSIs are looking here on the 3-minute. I like this. I like this. I like this. You know, call me crazy, guys. Call me crazy. You know, your old boy Jason Casper is a little bit crazy now. Okay, he's crazy. He is crazy. But, you know, we're at support, man. And I love the smell of support. It smells so good. Yeah, it does. It does. Let's see, can we come down to that high volume node right there? Can we do it, guys? Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst. Come here, Bitcoin. Come here. Psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst. Come here. Come here. I mean, money flow is getting a little bit higher on the Uno minute. You know? So we just hit into this naked weekly point of control right here with basically no reaction. Man, I don't know. I want to see my 6-minute butt cheeks. I would like to come down a little bit lower here. Can we get our 6-minute cheeks? Can we get them? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Are we going to get them? Oh, come on, 6-minute cheeks. We didn't get those 6-minute cheeks, guys, but it is interesting that naked point of control did give us a little bounce through right there. You know, if we just fall through this box, guys, man, I would be shocked. I would really be shocked. But hey, I am expecting lower, but man, could it be? Could it be that we're just going to fall right through? What do you guys think in the chat? Let's head on over here. Let's take a poll. Do we fall through this box? Do we fall through this box? Question mark. Yeah, I think we go lower too. I think we go lower too. But here's the thing, guys. I think we go lower, but I think that we could possibly find some support right here. I think we could possibly find some support right here. You know? So, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I would love to see those cheeks. But look, we're not even getting those cheeks, right? We're not even getting those cheeks. So, money flow is still coming up on the 1 minute momentum. We're getting the pig nipples, guys. We're getting the pig nipples on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if I can find the pig nipples. Yeah, okay, so here they are, right? The pig nipples. flip vertical, right here, the pig nipples are where the momentum waves on market Cipher B are getting higher, right? As the price is getting lower, those are called pig nipples, right? These are the pig teats. We can see this direction here, and we're coming down to support. Now, I would never be doing this unless we were at a support. And also, guys, I would never even be doing this besides the fact that I'm in a juicy short right now, locked in a lot of profit right here. So, you know, even if I get wrecked along this, I'm still in profit, right? So I'm in a unique situation. And also, it's comforting to know that this is definitely not financial advice, and I am definitely not a financial advisor, right? Definitely not. But I am looking to find support in this green box, guys. I'm looking to do it. Let's check out some other things going on here. You know, I'll have to say, it does not look too promising, guys. It really does not look too promising at all, actually. It does not look too promising. It really doesn't look promising at all, you know? Let's see, did we hit that? Yes, we hit it. All right, we hit it. Let's see. Are we just going to drop right through like a knife through butter? Or are we going to hold it, guys? Are we going to hold it? It doesn't look too bouncy right now. This does not look like what we want to see. This does not really look like it at all, guys. This is not what I want to see. Not at all. Not at all. This is not what I want to see. Nope, this isn't it. This is not what I want to see. Uh-oh. Got a bad feeling. I've got a bad feeling, guys. It's a good feeling. A really good feeling. A feeling you know that I'll be wrecked when the day is new. And we'll have trades you'll want to talk about. I will too. Man, I have to be honest with you guys, I am shocked. I am shocked that we're not finding some kind of bounce here. Right? I mean, we found little bounces here, but, you know, I was expecting something more. I was expecting a little something more here. So, ooh, we have a daily bearish engulfing formed. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what else we got. 29,400 should give us a bounce, says Vato. Yeah, let's see if 29.4 gives us a bounce. We've got that weekly level there, that fresh weekly. But man, we are losing this, guys. We are absolutely losing this right now. So, yeah. We're losing it, man. We're losing it. We're losing it. I'm about to get wrecked here. I'm about to get wrecked. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's see if we can do it. I don't think it's going to happen. It's not looking pretty good. It's not looking good, right? We're underneath that level now. So something crazy is going to have to happen in order for us to get a pump up from here. Something absolutely insane is going to have to happen. Yeah, I don't see anything good right now. I don't see anything good. I don't see anything good. So, alright guys, that's it, man. I'm taking a loss here. But you know what? That's okay. It's okay. Because in the day, for the day, I'm still in massive profits for the day. So I have a very clear level where basically I know that if we don't bounce from here, then I shouldn't be looking to long here. So I have a very easy place where my stop loss should be. And if we do bounce from here, well, then great. But if not, then your boy's about to get wrecked again. Shout out to T800. Yeah, you're right, man. I gotta let the short ride and be patient for the long. I'm trying to be sensational on YouTube, man. I'm trying to be sensational over. Oh, oh! Wouldn't that be crazy if it did bounce from here? It's not. I don't think it is. I don't think it is, guys. But man, yeah. Now we've got the inverse pig teats going on here. All right. Stopped out. Well, you know, let's scoop a little bit more profit out of the short here. Now are we going to bounce? That would be crazy, right? Scoop a little more profit out of the short. Let's cover that loss. And I think I'm honestly going to be done for the night, guys. I think I'm going to be done for the night, guys. It's been a really good day for me. And it's late. It's super late. Man, this is wild. So, I would have to say, guys, my next TP for this short, honestly, if I'm going to go to sleep right now, my next TP is going to be... This is crazy, guys. This is just wild. This is wild. I mean, we gotta watch for this weekly level, too. I mean, really, that weekly level, it's fresh, man. It's fresh. But my next major TP, if I'm going to go to sleep right now, is probably going to have to be, I would say, down around 28 point. This area down here. This area down here. Yeah, I think the weekly is important. It's super important, actually. So yeah, I should definitely T some P at this W. I should T some P at the W. 29,450, I think, is an important area to T some P. 29,450. It's definitely an important area to T some P. Now we want the USD. And we're going to long. Wow! Here we are at the weekly, guys. Can you believe that? Here we are at the weekly. What is happening? Trade's just closing out right now. Shorts and longs closing out. People have no idea what the heck they're doing. Yeah, I would look to obviously take some profit here, and then down at 28,700. 28,700. All right, 28,700. Man, this is some wild stuff, but let's kind of see what's happening here, because we are at a key level. So let's just watch and see if any kind of opportunity does present itself here. I mean, we do have 6-minute uneven cheeks. I don't like that money flow at all. Yeah, I don't really. What we would want to see is some kind of man, I can't believe this though. I would want to see some kind of additional confluence. This is a crazy dump, guys. I just can't even believe this here. I just can't even believe this, guys. This is wild, man. This is absolutely wild. This is crazy, man. All right, well, buckle up, guys. It's going to be a wild ride tonight. It's going to be a wild ride tonight, y'all. Okay, so James has been saying for a long time 27,777. 27,777. $27,777. What do we got down there, man? That's the golden pocket, right? Is that the golden pocket? Let's see what's down at 27,777. Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, now that we're below this high volume node, and if that weekly doesn't hold, you know, 28.7 is the next level, and then James 27,777. Right in the middle of this golden pocket here. I agree with you, James. I mean, this is really the main level here. I would be very interested in looking for a long from right here. But then again, you know, let's see what we got going on here. I mean, the weekly, that's the thing, guys. The weekly level, the weekly market cipher is giving us the green dot, which is quite interesting. And we do have here on this weekly time frame, right? We have this support. I mean, this is a very important support. This was acting as support pretty much the entire time. The entire time that we were last week, right? This was support, this weekly open, last week's weekly open here. This was acting as our support. This is a key level right here. This is a key level. And yeah, it's key, guys. It's key, all right. I mean, it's key. It is a key support, right? Uneven cheeks on the 6-minute. Uneven cheeks on the 6-minute, guys. Snake eyes. Snake eyes on the 6-minute. Uneven cheeks. Can we get a little something? Wow, what a drop though. Seriously. What a drop. Can you believe this, guys? That is just crazy. I was not expecting this tonight. I was not. Yeah, we have that CME gap from the previous week at 28,800 as well. Yeah, so let's take a look at some levels that we do have. So first of all, this is a key level of support right here. This old weekly open, which is now a weekly area, was support. And also, we did just close the CME gap, as somebody brings up. This is market cipher A. Phew, that is crazy. CME gap, we literally just closed it right now, guys. So this is actually a pretty important level where we're at right here, with some confirmations after closing this gap, guys. After closing this gap with some cheekage going on, and if also we lose that, right, we have this other CME gap down here, which is coming in right about that value area low from this entire basically this entire little range right here. So very interesting levels. So, and then James's level, which is the golden pocket from here to right here. That's also pretty key, right? So basically, we got this, and we got this. And basically right now I'm looking for some kind of confirmation around this area. I would say what would be pretty nice right about now is to come down a little bit lower. Actually, maybe we can actually get into a long here. Maybe we can. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's actually see if we can do something interesting here. There might be an opportunity coming up. I'll have to wait and see. We'll really have to wait and see. I'll probably be too tired. But the chickens might drink from around here, right? The chickens really might drink from around these areas. Oh man, your boy Jason is tired. Super tired. But the chickens might drink. $22K Bitcoin incoming, perhaps. We have a 10th yellow X. Wow, 10th yellow X. On what time frame is that, man? Let's check that out. Market cipher A. What time frame are these yellow X's on? The 1 minute? That's crazy, man. Yeah, man. That is crazy, man. That is crazy, man. So, let's check something out here. No, don't see anything that I want to see, but let's see what's going on here. This could be an opportunity for us. Dangerous one, but nonetheless, it's not something we don't enter without proper confirmation. Wow, another yellow X just printing on the 3 minute here. Let's turn off our CME gap indicator. Yeah, I mean, this, potentially we have some opportunities here. We'll have to really wait and see. But I'm not looking to enter another long unless I have very serious confirmations. I'm looking to stay short, baby. Stay short for a while here. What's a yellow X? A yellow X is an indicator on Market Cipher that shows whale manipulation, market manipulation. Yeah, Rocky fell off a cliff. Shout out to Rob3. It's going to 1000x long this. Best opportunity ever. Going to go to 100k in a few seconds. Limitless is longing right now. If you don't mind me asking, Limitless, what's getting you into the long? Because I guess we do have some slight bullish CBD right here on the 1 minute. We're hitting a golden pocket and a spider line. Yeah, we do have some absorption of these shorts at this area. It's not to be surprised. We do have a weekly. But it's very local. It's very, very local right here. It's local. But I would say we're holding the weekly. We're holding it. Yes, we are at a macro support area, Tom Tennant. That's right, the 29,150 area. We do have some old levels down there. We do have some old levels down there. I forgot about that. Yeah, we do have some levels down here. Yeah, I'm not really feeling a long right now, guys. I gotta be honest. I'm not really feeling one right now. Main reason is because the money flow is not really doing what I want. Also, I would have to say that I don't really see any signs here, even on this chart, of like absorption, unless we start taking out highs and still seeing people trying to short here. Let's go to a very high time frame. Let's take a zoomed out approach here, and let's just kind of look at the CBD in general over the course of a 15-minute time frame and open interest. I mean, open interest, massive decrease right now. I mean, we do see very, very slight bullish CBD here. Very, very slight. at a key level. You know, I just wanna go to sleep with $1,500 of realized profit. That's why I'm taking this, because no, I don't want to do that. Because I like to do that, right? I like those nice round numbers. Oop! Yeah, I forgot that the limit orders absolutely make the price pump away. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's see if we have anything going on. No. Well, I'm probably going to sleep through the long opportunity, guys. But it's getting late. I'm going to have to go. But God bless everybody. I appreciate everyone for being here, being part of the stream. And yeah, guys, receive this blessing in Hebrew. Yavarechacha Adonai v'yishmerecha ya'er Adonai panav alecha v'chunecha yisa Adonai panav alecha v'yasem lecha shalom b'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Israel. In English, that means, may the Lord God, the creator of the heavens and the earth, may he bless and protect you. May he shine light upon you, and may he have grace upon you, and may he turn his face towards you and give you completeness. In the name of Jesus, the Messiah, the God of Israel, amen. You guys can probably tell I don't take myself too seriously around here, but I do take my walk with the Lord pretty seriously, and I'm so thankful for everything he's done for me. And I do pray that each one of you listening to my voice is blessed in many ways. And yeah, I'll see everybody in the next stream. Peace.